Hello friends, welcome to back our channel Crochet Lovers. So friends, how are you? I hope all will be may Almighty keep you happy and keep your homes inhabited, and may you continue to enjoy my videos like this. So friends, today I will share with you the very beautiful amazing crochet crop top blouses designs. Before starting the video, I request all of you to subscribe my channel first, and also be sure to follow, press the bell icon. You can see very beautiful and amazing design. Show to people in it all the design. Before starting the video, I request all of you brought to your channel in the first time. You can also buy to the market about such design. You can get many ideas from my video. So from this video is very helpful and useful, so I will keep sharing similar designs with my dear friend. Inshallah, be sure to let us know in the comment box how you like our videos. If you want to watch any videos related to fashion, visit my channel, and if you guys want to, you can take a screenshot someone else see, and you can make a similar designs for yourself. This type of design is very popular in the country and girls love such clothes. So friends, today video is amazing. Every video is a lovely design for you guys. Don't miss any of them video on my channel. So friend, today in this video I will share with you some different designs. We will keep sharing with you in all kind of fashion related designs. Let's go. Inshallah, we will meet again in the next video. Thanks for watching. God bless you. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm grateful to the people who have subscribed to my channel. Stay with me. Take care. Well, remember prayer and bye.